Go ahead and tell me you got all your.
We're currently leaving California on a 16-hour car ride all the way to BC. It's a very cramped car. I don't know if it feels comfortable either. Oh, shut up, let's see.
Wise enough to know how it goes. Forgive me, honey. Wise enough to know. Forgive me, honey, 'cause we know this feeling all a little too well.
And traffic.
Listen, the distance between us could have took a while. Once we close that difference, you turn up like a friend of mine. Every once in a while, the little things make me smile as if one of our long shots paid off. One of our long shots paid off.
After 16 hours of driving, we just arrived at Harrison Hot Springs. We're gonna go check out the hotel room and jump in the pool, do some swimming.
And I suppose you've come down to help me add some to the real, Why we laughed it up, and we're wise enough, who knows how it goes. Forgive me, honey.
Sightseeing, exploring around town.
'Cause we know this feeling all a little too well. Listen, the distance between us could have took a while. Once we close that difference, you turn up like a friend of mine. Every once in a while, the little things make me smile as if one of our long shots paid off. One of our long shots paid off.
Right in front of the hotel, they have this big old, like, inflatable water park thing. It looks like jolly good fun. It's right there that way. We're gonna be on that later. Checked out of Harrison Hot Springs, and we're on our way to Kamloops right now to go. What's the main thing that we're gonna do there? Sushi.
Poop in our own toilets, sleep in our own beds.
Put our own socks.
Corn. Yeah, corn.
Welcome to another episode of Sushi Boys.
This time featuring Brown Muslim.
When did you even get here?
What did you get? You guys are doing all you can eat, right? Yeah. Classic.
This is fine dining. Fine dining.
Liam, what is this? Interesting.
Where is it? Over here? What? Where'd it go? Where's the
This
food?
little shrimp waitress literally just told us not to order too much.
This is what I say to laugh.
Say please when asking for your food.
Please, Father.
Please, Father, what?
Sushi.
My little one craves a sushi. Oh. Thank you, Father.
Look at Rory's pants. But he's wearing a salmon on his legs.
He's wearing sushi on his legs. That boy needs to learn how to do fashion.
But the important word in that is scoop. Poop. What's he saying? Look at this dude. This dude bites his ice cream with his teeth.
No. I bite everything.
Yeah, you see that?
I just gave some random dude a lick of my ice cream.
Oh, it's treason. I don't like sand. It's rough, it's coarse, and it gets everywhere.
Throwing sand all over you. We just split up with the rest of the guys. We're on our way to the lake house to go pick up Quentin's boat. It's a little Sea-Doo.
Yeah, a little ripper dipper.
It's just going to whip around nice and quick. We have some nautical adventures to go on today.
Oh yes.
Well, we were supposed to come to Quentin's lake house and pick up his boat and take it over to Trevor's lake house, which is that away. But this broke idiot's boat don't work. So now they're coming over in their old-fashioned, what is it? What do you call it?
The Glasstron.
The Glasstron. Is that them? They're mobbing. Do you see them? Where are they?
Hey. Dude. Thanks. Hella broke. Here. Really? Dude, it's the battery?
How was the wait? We're thinking.
Oh man, we've been here for hours.
Want to jump off a dock? You want to fly like a bird, like in a flock? I don't know.
Ask him if he wants to go for a walk.
Do you want to go for a walk? Come here. Come here. Let's go for a walk.
He's coming with us, right?
Ready? Go for a walk. I think so. It's fun when he runs up the hill and he just takes me for a walk. Go for a walk, Ranger. Go for a walk. That's it. Go for a walk. Go for a walk. He's so excited he can't handle it.
I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. Yeah, the magician's assistant in their dream. Oh. Singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong.
Hello, I am a pipe.
Hermano, I've come to bargain.
Actually, see, R2-D2 could have been reset.
It's not in the lore and stated in Darth Plagueis the Wise, the story of Darth Plagueis, that R2-D2 was ever able to reset.
If it's not in the comic books, then it's not lore friendly.
For the last time,
I read the manga!
The manga.
Because in the New Hope Remastered, R2-D2 wasn't hiding behind the rock.
Yes, but the Tusken Raiders were on a vital mission to capture Luke Skywalker because they found out he has Force powers and he's related to Darth Vader. But in the canon story of Darth Vader, the Darth Vader kills a bunch of Tusken Raiders and they build a statue of Darth Vader, making him a god.
How can they build a statue if he killed them all?
There was one left.
What a deep conversation.
Because in canon, in Legends, they built the Death Star to prepare for the Yuzong Von invasion.
That's not true at all.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
And then they went and blew it up, and they attacked and killed everyone.
Can we just... I think the debate is put to rest when you realize that the Death Star in, like, the first scene literally committed mass genocide on an entire planet.
Exactly.
That's how they keep their civilians in line. They kill them.
So literally Darth Vader is just Thanos.
Yes.
Yeah, he's a good guy.
He's sending them to another dimension.
Hell.
We're gonna go do water sports and general water activities.
General water activities.
Bye, Ranger.
Ranger, you gonna miss us?
It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay,
He's gonna chase us
He
up the
will,
hill.
but he'll probably sleep for 3 days.
You're gonna miss me.
I expect.
Well, our time in Canada has expired. It's time to go to Seattle.
Yeah. Fortnite Dance Challenge.
But I have to ask you to leave.
Yeah, you've extended your stay too long in Canada.
You are no longer welcome in my home
extended,
country.
dog. If I never met you, I'd be happy.
Bring it in, dog. Bring it in.
I'm in. I'm in here, dog.
Tuck it.
I'm in.
Tuck it.
I'm tucking.
Tuck it.
I'm tucking in.
Tuck it.
I'm in.
Get in there, dog.
Tucking. I'm in tucking.
Get in there, dog.
I'm Tucker. You can call me Tucker. I'm tucking in.
Get in there, dog.
I'm tucking that
Tuck
much.
it. Tuck it.
I'm in.
Tuck it.
I'm in.
Aight.
Hey.
Aight. Big ups. I'll see you around.
Pretty cool.